Hello friends, today I again welcome to all of you and I will deliver a concept of ellipse. It's a advanced form which are not read in class 11th and 12th. So dear students, dear friends, please watch and listen very carefully and apply this concept in your problems. And these problems are definitely important for your JEE examinations. So now students, about ellipse, already we have read in class 11 ellipse, equation of ellipse. Now here we will take a standard form of ellipse, and in standard form generally we will use a is greater than b. So equation of ellipse, we know that it is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And we know what is a. A is the length of half my major axis, and these both are a. And b is the length of half minor axis. This both are b. And we know about the coordinate a and a dash are called major vertices, and b are vertices on minor axis. We know about all these type of values which are because we have read in class 11th, and we also read the relation between a, b and e is a very important part. E is called eccentricity, we know that. And we also read the relation between e, a and a, which is definitely everyone can write. This is, it is b square is equal to a square in bracket 1 minus e square. For ellipse we have always remember this formula, where a greater than b, then this formula will be applicable. So now if we know a and b, then we can find e. If we know e and a, then we can find b, and so many questions may come from this formula also. But now today's our aim is first parametric form. So students, parametric form for ellipse is x is equal to a cos phi, and y is equal to b sin phi, and the phi is called here eccentric angle at 4 point. And actually this existence of phi is related to auxiliary circle and minor circle. Actually I have a circle which is, if we make a circle with b as a minor, b is a means 2b is a diameter, take as it, then it is a circle. And make again a circle which is in which a is the 2a is the diameter of that circle, then this circle is called auxiliary circle. Actually this big circle is called auxiliary circle, and this is called minor circle. So minor circle is not important here, but sometime we can read about this also. So students, any point suppose if we take a point P on ellipse, then its coordinate for phi, what is the angle phi? For finding phi, we have to draw perpendicular from P, and this perpendicular to extend such that it will cut auxiliary circle at Q. Then the angle OQ, point join the line O to Q, then this OQ make angle with x-axis is, suppose with x-axis is phi, then this phi is called auxiliary eccentric angle, and the coordinate of point P will be represented by a, actually it will be OM, and this OM is definitely this OM is a cos phi. But what how we will find B for this? Actually this B, this point P and this the length are equal, and this is B, OB is B, therefore uh, this value which we have draw, this is also B, so it will be B sin phi. Actually this is the way to find the parametric form of ellipse. So parametric form ka sometime it will be applicable and it will be useful for to solve any problem. Okay, now the very important thing is equation of tangent. And equation of tangent, actually we can derive this formula if y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to the this ellipse or at any point, then what is the relation? If for this students, please do it. In place of y, put in place of y put mx plus c, and now we will find a equation, quadratic equation in x, and now in that quadratic equation it has two roots, but if this equation is a tangent, then there is only one zeros which should be there. So when we put the discriminant equal to 0, then we will find a relation between C, A, B and M, which is called, which is like this: C is equal to plus minus square root of A square M square plus B square. So in this way we can say the equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus minus square root of a square m square plus b square. This is always the equation of tangent at ellipse at any point, and the point of contact, if we check about the point of contact for this tangent, then that point of contact is equal to a divided by square root of a square m square plus b square am divided, and if it is plus minus, then it will be minus plus b square divided by square root of a square plus a square m square plus b square. Actually when we put this value in place of this equation, then it will be fine. So for this if it is for it is plus, then it will be minus, and if it is minus, then it will be plus. So therefore this is the point of contact, and this is the equation of tangent at ellipse, and this is the parametric form of ellipse. So these are the three things which are which we have not read in class 12th, but students, we can derive these all the things very easily, but now it is the time to memorize this, and I will solve a question which has come in this January entrance exam. And now if we know these things, then we can solve this question very easily. And now the question is, so now students, question is, let x plus 6y is equal to 8 is tangent to standard ellipse. Standard ellipse means a is greater than b ellipse, where minor axis is 4 by root 3, then eccentricity of ellipse is. So standard ellipse, if we write, then it will be standard ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, which this is the things which I know. and minor axis is given. So definitely 2b is equal to 4 by root 3. It means b is given. But we want to find eccentricity e. So we have a relation, that is e square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So only one thing is not given, that is a. And now how we will find a? So recently we have read the equation of tangent is given at ellipse is y is equal to minus x by 6 and plus 8 by 6. Actually we will consider this equation in form of y is equal to mx plus c form. So now we have recently read that y is equal to mx plus c touch the ellipse if the relation between c, a and b is in this form. So definitely here what is m? We can see here m is equal to minus 1 by 6, and now c is equal to 8 by 6, which is 4 by 3, and relation c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So now we can find a square, because c square is 16 by 9, a square m square is 1 by 6 square 36, b square is 4 by 3. So student will calculate it. 36 will be multiply, then 64 is equal to a square plus 48, and a square is equal to 16. So now a square has come, b square has come, and we want to find e square. So our answer we can find e square is equal to 1 minus b square, which is 4 by 3, a square, which is 16. Now we'll cut 4, 1 is 4, 4 is 16. It will be 11 by 12, and e is equal to square root of 11 by 12, and therefore this is our answer. In this way we can solve this question. So this formula we have to know first, then we will solve this question. So students, this type of so many small concept I will take in next session. So please watch this video and apply this formula in your solution. And if you have not subscribed me, then please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.